Ahmed, tear for me small. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is one of the JP nights. It was unplanned. We're here now. I'm going to show you some of the cars that are here. I've been here before. I just decided to do the intro, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So we have the F90 M5. We have Mike in his F30 328. Yeah? Triple threat, like what? Say it again. Triple threats. 1, 2, 3. I beat the first race, you won. Now you're going to do it again. My buddy just dropped. Hey, with a type R. Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm fantastic. How are you doing?
I'm very well.
I mean, I think the car from my back you left now.
No, that's a type R behind you. Hey. Hey. Hello, Mr. Mo. How are you doing? With your beautiful type R? Thank you.
It is very beautiful to be seen.
This is what JP nights are like. Guys showing their cars off, guys talking. As you can see, big boys talking, car lovers and all that stuff. But then we keep it in a safe space. And this is who? This is who? Roy Pops, my brother. Everything cool. There we have two F90 M5s over here. I think both of them are tuned. And the RS6 is also moving out now. Oh, he's buying fuel. So as you guys can see, this is an RS6 built by MTM. I think it has upgraded turbos. Sounds really good. Saw it going up the road. Lovely machine.
Yeah, buy Audi, buy Audi, buy Audi, buy Audi.
Talking to peasants. Now that is an RS6.
Yeah, I want
Hello, Donaje. Charlie, everything cool.
What's up?
Ah, you do what? Henry, you say you ship him? Okay. Congrats. So I'm hearing, I know it's dark in the car. I'm hearing some cars are going to be on the. So I'm chasing after them. I'm chasing after them, not in my car, but a different car. Yo! So we just came out here to test a few things, and it looks like Lloyd won. Per what we've just seen.
Fastest only Ghana.
Yo, this is. These are the nights I miss. The nights that guys come out with their cars. Unfortunately, I don't have my car today. I have a little problem, N54 problems. So my car is not in today. But the drive here was calm, lovely. So I'm gonna talk you through the kind of cars that are here today. So it's very dark, actually. So we have the Mach 6 GTI. We have the what's this? The Chrysler 300 with the Hellcat engine in there. So that whines and all that stuff is fun. Sorry. We have the M5 competition over here. Honda Civic Type R. This is a C35. Henry, that's you. And we have a couple of cars down there. 2 Golf Rs, RS6, and all that stuff down there.
You're the slowest car.
Bro, I have the slowest car, so I had to just run away.
I want to say the fire, and then you see if you fire the manual car, go put your hand for
That one new.
I will give you a stand.
I'm pretty sure about that.
I swear.
They pick up people too, they come to the market.
Hey, pick up people.
I will give them head starts. I will put them before you finish.
Hey! Oh, come on. I'm just going to keep the camera rolling in the dark, bro. E10. I think that is going with the 2 Hellcats. Hey, the Hellcat is going with the 2 M5s. China, 2 all they go, bro.
God damn it! Hold on! Oh,